Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can browse the web using ChatGPT. First of all, you're going to head over to ChatGPT. Now, once you're here in ChatGPT, you're going to want to upgrade to ChatGPT 4 if you want to browse the internet. Otherwise, with ChatGPT 3.5, you won't be able to browse the current internet. Now, there is an alternative to this. Instead of upgrading to ChatGPT 4, you can head over to Bing AI, which is based on ChatGPT, and then just go to Bing AI Chat. Over here, you can head over to the more creative one, and now you can ask it anything. Let's say, or you can ask it to make a table for all the important things going on in the past month, let's say. Let's say I wanted to do this, hit enter, and then wait for it. Now, I don't want it to generate the list, but as you see, you can generate a lot of different stuff like this, and your AI will be able to access the current internet for knowledge that you want to gather. Now, you can obviously browse Google on your own, but with Bing Chat, that makes it easier. Or with ChatGPT 4, you can ask it to actually browse specific websites for you. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.